The US dollar is still under pressure exerted by the news from China. Higher rates again in strength thanks to the US macroeconomic data. Most notably, this includes unemployment data which dropped to a 4-month low. Given the excitement caused by previous Nonfarm Payroll reports, it seems the market is already preparing for next week. For now, the US dollar is trying to set above 100 points against the basket of 6 major currencies. Let us take a look at how the macroeconomic reports due on Monday, September 30, could affect the major currency pairs. You are watching Traders Calendar. The last day of September is rich in macroeconomic events. Most reports that will be released this day are either of preliminary or secondary importance. It begins with the reports from Asia. Thus, Japan will disclose its industrial production data. Analysts expect a rise to 5.3% from a 2.9%. For a country that lost its prestigious third place among the world's leading economies at the end of the last year, this industrial recovery is crucial. With this increase, the yen might find some reasons to climb against the greenback. However, to rise, the Japanese currency will need support from another report published simultaneously. We are talking about retail sales data. The indicator is unlikely to rise significantly amid a weak yen. Forecasts anticipate a slight decline to 2.4% from a 2.6%. The drop could be primarily explained by the weak yen, which could continue to lose strength if the data turns out to be poor. Traders tracking China's economy could also face disappointment. On Monday, 2 reports on the manufacturing PMI will be released. The first one will be published by the National Bureau of Statistics, and the second one by private firm CAIXIN. Previously, these reports were published at different times and often showed controversial figures. However, this time, both indicators point to a decline. The difference lies only in the index readings. According to official statistics, the manufacturing PMI may drop by 0.1 points, remaining in the 49-point range. As a result, the yuan is likely to weaken against the dollar and other currencies. The CAIXIN indicator, calculated by the same-named analytics firm in a collaboration with the market, also points to a decline. Analysts expect a decline of 0.3 points. Even if the predictions come true, the indicator will remain about the 50-point threshold at 50.1 points. Preliminary data on the UK GDP growth will also be released this day. The country's economy may expand by 0.9% in the second quarter of 2024. If this forecast meets the real data, it will be the fastest year-over-year growth since the third quarter of 2022. The British pound will have an opportunity to jump against the greenback. On the contrary, the euro, which is also part of the basket of 6 major currencies, may experience pressure from its partners across the Atlantic and within Europe. This could be explained by a report on Germany's inflation rate. If the data confirms forecasts and shows a drop in consumer prices to 1.7% from 1.9%, the euro might retreat. Other events in the macroeconomic calendar could significantly shake the US dollar's position. Although the business barometer is regional, in a situation where the market is eager to ward off recession fears, any data counts. It appears that the Chicago PMI will hardly support the greenback, as the forecast suggests a decline to 45 points. In this context, the Texas Manufacturing Index might become a consolation price to the US dollar. It manages to gain nearly 5 points and reach the anticipated -4 points. The dollar could find some support. Please note that the time of the publications is set in the GMT +3 time. The next video review of the Traders Calendar will be released on Monday, September 30. See you!